Hello traders, today I am going to doing a market update video. So you can see our trend line is trend line and reject market and going upward move, and you can see market is coming our target levels, and we can use fib read fib trend base fib extension, and we can go target in the market and this area and drag down, and you can see market is coming our target levels. This is one fib one level, and that is a bull fact target, and 0.786 level, that is a inverse head and shoulder target. That is our target levels, and you can see that target level is accurate is very high. Market is coming our levels. So actually you can see a bearish RSI divergence. That is market reach this level, inverse head and shoulder level, and market can be downward move. So next we can move to Ethereum chart. Now we can is Ethereum is huge resistance level. That is a all-time high resistance level. You can see previous all-time high level, and market is test the resistance area, and market can be a downward move in future. And I'm in the short trade in Ethereum, and actually you can see a bearish divergence RSI, bearish divergence, and market can be obviously this level. So next we can move to Solana chart. Solana is going Solana is going in the parallel channel, and you can see Solana is coming our parallel channel upper level. That is that level market can be rejected. So actually Solana is actually I so bearish RSI divergence in the Solana chart. Next we can move to XRP. Actually XRP is resistance level, and not only that resistance level, there is a RSI divergence. You can see a RSI divergence, and market can be therefore downward move. Next, ton. Actually I am in ton long trade. Now you can see market is going upward move. So that is a resistance level, not on. Therefore I want to see my trade, that is profit, 10% profit. So next, ADA. Actually ADA break the huge resistance. You can see I draw a trend line array tool use, and you can see a resistance level. Then now today market is break that resistance, and market going upward move. Actually we can market can be reach that trend line level. So not only that, that is a bearish RSI divergence. So therefore market will come to down. So I'm in AVAX chart. AVAX, not only AVAX chart, in our parallel channel area, parallel channel middle area, market can be rejected. Market can be reject that level. So that is not that is not a trading opportunity now. So we can move to link. Actually, you can see a link chart cup double cup pattern. That is beautiful double cup pattern. And now you can see double cup pattern break and retest. Now retest and going upward move. That is the double cup pattern target level. Market can be obviously reach this level link trade. I'm not get that trading opportunity. I saw that trading trade uh, because going market is going some move. So not only that, market is bearish divergence. So therefore I'm not get that trade long trade opportunity. So I'm close my trade dot trade. Actually I'm enter that level. Now I close the trade because market is coming downward move. That is a minor resistance area. Market that level is previous some resistance. So I enter that bullish engulfing pattern. I saw that bullish engulfing pattern and I enter that trade. Not only that, we can see a uh, parallel channel. Market is parallel channel breakout and retest that level. So that is a good trading opportunity. And you can see uh, that level is another parallel channel. So therefore, that is a confluence level. Therefore, I enter that trade because that is a huge trading opportunity. Now, actually, I am uh, get profit. So next we can move to sui. Actually, market is going to go in our parallel channel, in our parallel channel. So actually now I am not telling you to another one. So next, Litecoin. Actually I enter the Litecoin trade. That is I saw a inverted, not a, that is a shooting star candle. That shooting star candle, not only that, there is RSI divergence. Not only that, that is a parallel channel upper level that is coming to market resistance. Therefore I enter that trade. And I enter this trade. I am going to tell you why I enter that trade. So we can use fib retracement. This candle we can put the retracement and you can see market is going some downward move and market is going up. That's 0.618 level. I enter the trade 0.618 level. I enter short trade that level. I enter short trade that level and I put the stop loss this week and I target my 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. Therefore I'm not lost this trade. I got some profit that trade. So you can see I got the profit and market going upward move. So that is a very nice trade. So next move to near. You can see near chart break the trend line and that is a inverse head and shoulder pattern. You can see inverse head and shoulder pattern and break the inverse head and shoulder. Now market is going upward move that level. So next uni USDT chart is uni is rejected that trend, that is resistance level, that is some major resistance level. You can see that we reach this area and this is some resistance level. So not only that, there is a bearish RSI divergence. You can see bearish RSI divergence. Next, I am in Pol USDT chart. Actually, I am got the this Pol chart huge profit. I enter the trade this level. I enter the trade this level because there is a parallel channel and market is break that parallel channel and going upward move, and market come to our scene of crime level, and there is a support level, support, that is a minor support level. And not only that, there is a another parallel channel lower level, that is confluence area. Not only that, we can use and fig retracement, and we put the retracement, and you can see market is come to this golden zone, that is golden zone 0.618 zone. Market was come to golden zone, and that is a huge trading opportunity. Not only that, we can uh, put the fixed range volume profile, and we can use fixed range volume profile. Not only that, that is this level is a market point of control level, and we can, that is point of control level. Not only that, you can see that is a, now you can see a value area low, therefore that is a huge trading opportunity. Therefore I enter that trade, and I am good 50% profit. So next, we can see COMP chart. Actually, I'm got some profit that chart. So now I am uh, stopping my, now I stop the my market update video. And if you like my video, please subscribe and click the notification bell icon, and please comment below. So thank you.